me about your gritty mare here.
Her name is Maybelline. I raised her. Her mom won us, my daughter and I, about 30 or 40,000. You know, and that was before we kind of kept track of it. I just really like her. She's been easy. She's been fun. I feel like she's super easy to ride. You just kind of point and click.
I would have to agree. Watching her go around the barrel, she wants it. She wants to do her job. She wants to do it right. She looks like a good pleaser. Would you say that?
Yes. She's very much knows her job. I was just saying she doesn't go slow very good, so that's kind of why I quit, because I feel like I can walk through them, but I don't know if I can baby lope them.
Yeah. And when a job this good, or this mare that good, does her job this way, she wants to just be exercised, do her pattern, go home.
Yeah. And then normally I rope too, so if I am at a rodeo where I'm in barrels and breakaway, I warm them both up before the arena, then she stands, then I just jump on her and trot her. So this warming her up and then immediately going to the run was different for both of us. But
she handled it well. What level of rider would you say fit her best?
You know, as long as they can ride pretty good. She is strong. You can see when she's ready to go, she's strong, but she's really smooth. So I feel like a younger kid could get along with her, but I do feel like they'd have to have some experience, or a mom that had some experience that could maybe make adjustments if needed. And as you can see, I have practically nothing in her mouth. It's right smooth, and I can run her in about anything. This is what I like best. And it's pretty sloppy.
This is a dog bone smooth.
Yeah, smooth, medium port. I ride her in this a lot, and I can run her in this balding hinge port. I just ride all my horses in this just because you can have some control without hurting them.
Yeah.
So, yeah, she'll go in about anything. If I still own this horse next fall, I would love to run her at Pendleton, because the longer run to first, the better she is. She just loves that long run to first.
Yeah, for a little mare, she does want to get up and go.
And she can just shut it down so quickly. She just and is there. So that's the hardest part with her, is if you cue her too soon, she's going to drop and start her turn. So you have to be brave.
Okay.
You have to be brave.
What do you do for maintenance and tuning in that kind of area?
Mostly at my house, I just keep one barrel down in the corner, and I just work her on one barrel. I very seldom work her on the pattern. And maintenance, I've maybe had her hocks injected twice, and her stifle once. I have her chiropractic twice a year. She's just been really easy and really good.
How is she to haul? Any quirks on the road, that kind of thing?
In the partitions, not really, but if we're in the stock trailer, she goes on the end because she's kind of bossy.
Yeah.
And in the partitions, she will back out, but she turns really quick. So, but she's small enough she can do it, so I just let her, because otherwise it's just a fight, so it's just easier. She's very pushy, and she has a little trouble keeping her feet still, but that's her biggest vice.
Well, there's not much to say wrong about this mare. I do like her, so thank you for bringing her today.
Thank you.